Now that we have all the ingredients for the pecan filling, let's mix it together. Before I mixed in all the ingredients together, I did melt the butter in the microwave for 25 seconds. So that has been melted. I will first break 3 eggs into the bowl. I do it one at a time just to make sure I don't get any shell in there. And mix this. 3 eggs, beat them slightly. Then you add 1 cup of sugar. And you can add the butter at any point. Now we need 1 cup of caramel syrup. And it's the light corn syrup. You don't want the dark corn syrup. Mix in that cup. Scrape out all that goodness. Add a teaspoon of vanilla. I can open this. This is a ½ teaspoon measure, so I will put 2 of those in. 1, 2. Now I like to reserve some of the pecans whole for on top, so I will chop up a little bit less than 1 cup, so I reserve some for the top of the pie. To the filling. And just give it a bit of a stir to evenly distribute the pecans. And we are now ready to put the pie together.